everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and you probably just came from watching part 1 of my Blood, Sweat, Tears nail art tutorial, but this is part 2, and I'm going to be painting these designs on my right hand, which is definitely a challenge, and you don't have to, but I just did it so that you could have 10 fingernails all for Blood, Sweat, Tears. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. Start as we usually do by applying base coat to all of our fingernails. Then paint your index and pinky fingernails a sheer pinky nude, and then your ring fingernail white and your thumbnail a dark teal. I messed up and I went back and painted my middle fingernail black. Apply 2 pieces of striping tape diagonally so that they intersect to form a triangle, and then on the left side of that, paint it black. Make sure it's opaque and then peel off the striping tape. Before the polish dries, just pack on some black glitter with a nail art brush, and you can also use your finger to then buff the glitters into the polish. Now repeat the same steps on your pinky fingernail, but you want to paint the area to the right of the striping tape. The middle fingernail design is inspired by J-Hope's choker, so we're just going to be drawing a bunch of like random squiggly white lines, leaving some of the black shown. Then just draw a thin gold French tip. The ring fingernail design is inspired by Jin's white shirt, so I'm just taking a brownish red and just drawing 2 lines in the middle of the fingernail going from the cuticle to the tip. And then from the left and right sides of those lines, you just want to draw very short strokes. Use cling wrap to apply white and various shades of blue to your thumbnail. Finally, all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat to seal all the designs and also to add a beautiful shine. Make sure to wrap the tip as well for longer wear time. So that was part 2 of my BTS Blood, Sweat, Tears outfit inspired designs. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up down below and also leave a nice comment if you have the time to, and also if you like this video, then subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover. I am just really happy with how everything turned out, and I'm super excited about Grammys, which is happening very soon. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone.